All right, everybody. So I'm going to do a quick demo of Send Jim so your brain will explode when you see exactly what it does. Now, number one, the first thing it does that's insane, because we just talked about, the three keys for any kind of marketing. It has to be hyper-targeted, it has to be personalized, it has to be multi-touch. Well, our system here, it solves all of those problems. For example, if you look at this customer here, just a fake customer here, Ron White. I got a picture of this person's home because you can quickly capture that, by the way, if you want it with our mobile app. And I want to send a series of direct mail, not to him, but to his neighbors. Watch how easy this is. So I have his picture there. I select his address. I click send. I choose neighbor mailing right here. I choose how many neighbors I want to mail to. I'll just say 10. And that's it, guys. Like, now I just pick my template and I send it to them. So because it's a neighbor mailing, I have these different categories. I have one called 5-arounds. That's kind of what you call neighbor mailings. So I could send them like one card, or I could send them like a whole sequence. Now, if I choose the one here that says sequence right there, it's going to send them 3 cards in a row spread a week apart. And you control all of that, right? But check this out. This is insane. So this card says, did you hear your neighbors just hired us and loved it, right? Well, what if we put a picture of our actual client's house on the card? So then the neighbors got a postcard with a picture of their neighbor's house on it. Do you think that would personalize things and draw attention? The answer is yes, in case you're wondering. So what I can do, if I don't want to use his house picture because I don't have permission or something, that's fine. You can just select you don't want to do that. Or I could upload a different picture, like maybe the street sign or the entryway to the subdivision. Or I can use the guy's house picture that I have, because let's say I asked him. And what's cool is that house picture is going to print right here. Can you see my mouse? Right here. It's going to overlay on top of this generic picture. Bam! And it'll be on there. So when I click continue, if I click send right here, it literally, in that fast, does a 3-card personalized hyper-targeted sequence, touches them, boom, boom, boom. Super insane, right? How cool is that? But that's just the beginning, because we also have the radius bomb feature, which most people completely lose their minds over, to be honest, because it's unbelievable. It's like life-changing, right? And I want to show you something really cool you can do with this. So I don't know, I'm just going to pick a subdivision here. We have, let's do this one. Okay, so this was actually a really popular sub where we had a lot of work when I had my cleaning business. What I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this little Google guy, and the first thing I'm going to do is take a picture of the entryway of this subdivision so I can put it on the card. Check this out. So I'm going to go like this, and I'm just going to go ahead and screenshot kind of a square picture like this, because these people are going to recognize this, because this is what they drive into every single day, right? So I'll say test card pick. Okay, cool. Let me save that. And then I'm going to get out of zoom in Google guy and go back up here. Okay, so I got that picture right in here. Now I'm going to use a polygon tool on our map to just target the residents of this neighborhood. Check this out. This is insane. Now, there's 88 houses in here that are deliverable that I can mail to. So when I go to send them a card, right, I can pick my template. I don't know, let's just say this window cleaning card right here. I can pick this, and then I can upload that custom image, right, which I just took, which is super cool, right? Now, drum roll, bam! Look at that. Look at that. That's going to print on this front of this postcard. Are you kidding me? That's why the return on investment on these cards is through the roof. If you're smart, you use a little bit of strategy. It takes moments to do it. And you can do these things manually. It just takes like forever. The opportunity cost is large because it just takes a long time to do it. The other thing I wanted to show you briefly, or really 2 more things, is the fact that we don't just send postcards. We send all kinds of different things. You can send emails, you can send letters, you can send greeting cards like around Christmas or Easter or for birthdays. You can send physical gifts. We have a whole bunch of different gift categories in here. We have gift cards, Starbucks, Subway, Buffalo Wild Wings, and then some fancier ones. We have like Home Depot for people that just moved into their house, or realtors use those, Olive Garden, just a variety, Best Buy. And then we have like cookies and brownies. Brownies are really popular. And then there's caramels and chocolate almonds and gummy bears and popcorn and high-end chocolates and truffles and all that, right? You can send any of that stuff, You can also do this thing called a voicemail bomb. A voicemail bomb is insane. It's like free money when you send it to your current customers, right? So let's say it's spring and you want to send a voicemail to all of your current customers really quickly without actually calling them one at a time, because that would like take a really long time and be kind of annoying, right? So all you do is you put in the phone number you want the return number to be. And what it's going to do, I'm going to record a quick voice message. And then when I send it to my customers, all the ones where I have their cell phone, it will send a voicemail right into their voicemail box, but their phone like really doesn't ring. But they'll see like they had a missed call, and then when they check their voicemail, it's from you. So check this out. I'm going to show you how this works, right? So I'm just going to record here. Hey, sorry I missed you. This is Josh over at ABC Service Company. Spring's coming up, and we just had you on our list to give you a call. It's not a rush. I know you're busy. We'd just love to get you booked. We also have 11% off coupons right now for all of our past customers. We're so grateful that you are one of our past customers. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the office at 555-1212. Again, sorry I missed you. I'll tell you, I'll just follow up later this week if I don't hear back from you. You can also send us an email, Josh at abcservicecompany.com. Talk to you later. Bam. Look at that. That's insane, right? So the way I recorded that, it didn't sound like a robo call or something. Like it's me being authentic and stuff, right? So now that I have that saved, I can call this, spring voicemail, and I can save it. And now you'll see it right here. Listen to this. Hey, sorry I missed you. This is Josh over at ABC Service Company. Spring's coming up, and we just had... Bam, just like that. And then when you go back to your address screen, and you can import your entire list. We actually connect with a whole bunch of CRMs and a whole bunch more coming, where it'll automatically connect it. But if you have, some of your customers have a cell phone number in it or whatever, for example, I'll just do one for an example really quick here. Let's go like that. Okay. And I want to send them that voicemail, or I could select like 1,000 people at one time. I just go like this. I select quick send. I choose my voicemail bomb. Hey, sorry I missed you. That's it. Bam, just like that. How insane is that? Can you see how much time that's going to save you? It really is over the top. And the last thing I want to show you guys here that is really cool and different with our software company is that we're not a boring software company. Nothing I do is boring. Nothing we do is boring. If you look at this education tab here on the left, we pay you to teach yourself how to be awesome. There's all these built-in courses inside of here. This is just like the general Send Jim training, right? But then we have this thing called the 5-round masterclass, where it literally teaches you how to build a high-level sales process. How do you maximize phone calls from your marketing? How do you establish proper expectations for success? There's all this stuff, right? And as you watch these little videos, what it does is it rewards you. So check this out. Let me see if I can do one here. Bam. Here's my man Cooper doing a training.
Hey friends, Cooper here.
Right?
I'm going to be showing you how to
send out you're watching this training, but watch what happens at the end of the training. Watch this.
I'm so impressed that you just keep watching these videos and earning all these free credits.
So check that out, guys. So you just earned 2 postcards that you can send for free. Oh, making it rain. Send Jim is unlike anything you've seen before. It is your new secret weapon. It's like having a set of cheat codes to market your small home service company. Not even kidding.